Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to share screen on a WhatsApp video call. Now let's begin. Initially, let's simply open up WhatsApp on our mobile device. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now initially, what I would like to do is simply call my friend. I'm gonna move on to calls right here. And here's my friend here. I'm simply gonna initiate a video call. And there you see, we have successfully enabled a video call. Now what I would like to do is simply share my screen. Right here at the bottom there are many icons like change camera, and right here is the share screen. Simply click on it and then something like this will open up. Once you click on start now, your screen will be successfully shared. If it asks for anything, simply hit on continue. Well guys, that's it. That's how you share your screen on a WhatsApp video call. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.